Hello everyone, my name is Raphael and welcome yet again to another exciting course of building a wallpaper sharing app with social features. Okay, in this course we're going to create a WallShare application which users can generate wallpapers with AI, and they can also pick their wallpapers from gallery or camera to share with their friends, and also they can comment and like on that wallpaper. Okay, so here I've got two emulators running the same application. This one is in the dark mode, this one is in the light mode. All of these we will learn in this course. Okay, so let me demonstrate like the first main feature of our application. Okay, that is generating a wallpaper with the AI. Okay, so first we're gonna have to click on this plus icon. From this screen here we can create an AI wallpaper, which is we can pick a style here, okay, from the list of styles here, and then we can also generate, just input a prompt here and then click the generate button. If we don't want to generate with the AI, we can just simply switch from here and then we can pick from gallery or camera. But first thing, let's generate with AI. Okay, we can just toggle from here to switch. Okay, so I've already written a prompt. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna paste my prompt here. Okay, there is my short prompt, a cyberpunk skyscraper at night with neon lights in purple, blue and pink, futuristic skyscraper and flying vehicle. Okay, so for the style here I'm just gonna pick cyberpunk. Okay, you can see you've got a whole list of stuff. I'm just gonna pick cyberpunk, and then once I have all of this I can just go ahead and click generate, and then we have to wait for our wallpaper to generate. Alright, as you can see, based on our prompt we have generated this wallpaper. Now we can choose to share or cancel. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this to Firestore. I'm gonna click on this. Now you can see that our wallpaper is saving. We just need to wait. Alright, now you can see wallpaper successfully saved, and then the other user can see the new wallpaper is just come here that this user has uploaded the wallpaper. Now they can even click on this wallpaper and then they can see it. They can download this wallpaper and then they can click here to set this as their wallpaper. Okay, so the options will show up here to select this set as wallpaper. They can choose as home screen, choose as lock screen, or they can set as both, or they can just cancel. If they want this in their local, they can just download here, and then they can also just like the wallpaper. You can see that like animation, and then if they want, they can get in the comments of this wallpaper and then choose to like comment on this wallpaper. We can say something like, and then their comment is going to be there. Okay, you can see that, and then we can get the count of the comment, and then they can come back here. You can see that even the count is updated. So this user here can also come and then see this updated wallpaper over here. And then over here we have a cursor which shows the list of the most liked wallpapers, the top 10 of the most liked wallpapers from here. And then we have a search function here which we can search any wallpaper. All of this is active. For example, we want to search this future neon, you can just say future. You can see that we are searching that. Okay, so yeah, we have that search feature, and then all of these are categorized. You can view the wallpapers by category. Okay, we have all of these categories, you can see all, and then you can go to your profile. You can see that you've got 2 posts, and then you don't have the following, and then we are following one user, but the other user can like go on your generated wallpaper and then they can visit the creator of this wallpaper. This is the profile of this user. Now you can easily just follow. You can see that now you have 1 following, and then they can also choose to unfollow. Okay, so let's keep this as followed. You can see now that this also has one following. They are following this user. Okay, and then they can see that this user has got 2 posts. Okay, you can also see these users generated wallpapers. Okay, so this is where you can change from light to dark theme in the profile, and then you have a notification icon where you can see all your notification, and then you can also go ahead and edit your profile. All of these will make from scratch. Okay, now the other thing is let's also try picking the wallpaper from gallery. We can toggle over here, and then you can either pick from camera or gallery. Let's go with gallery. Now I'm gonna go with maybe these. Okay, this wallpaper. Now here I'm also going to choose to share, but if I'm picking from gallery, I need to give this a title. So I'm gonna name this as a sunset, maybe sunset pines. Okay, like that. And then I can choose the category over here. So for these, I'm just gonna go with maybe urban, or let's just pick vintage. Okay, and then now we can share. So this wallpaper is also going to be shared in Firestore. You can see successfully saved. If we go back, we can see that our new wallpaper is also part of this. Okay, now this one, if they go to the profile, you can see that this user has also updated another profile. This number has been implemented. If you come here, it's over here, and then also you can come to this profile. You can also choose to comment on it, like something like thanks. Then we can proceed. You can see that all these social features are working. Okay, great. So we will work through all of these guys step by step, building this social wallpaper sharing app where all users can pick wallpapers, and then they can share, and then you can comment on them. And then yeah, we will also put work with all of this is authenticated using Google sign-in, which we will do in a step by step as well. So I hope you will enjoy this course with me, guys, because we will do all of these features step by step all the way out. Thank you guys, and there is nothing more to wait for. Let's just get on and get started building this application.